Hey everybody, John and Rennen here, and today we're going to go from this, right, say from this, going to go from this to this. Alright, so we ordered a new graphics kit from Factory Effex, and it's in and we have it. It's pretty cool looking, so we'll take a look at that. And we're going to go over the process of how you install new graphics on the PW50. Sound good? Yeah? Sound good to you? Hey, I'm going to have to cut you out of the video if you don't talk. Alright, so what we need to do is wash the entire bike and get it all clean before we put the new graphics on, right? Yeah, because we can't put new graphics on if there's dirt on it. And the bike's kind of dirty from the last time you went riding, isn't it? Yeah. Now let's check out the bike. So we got a little bit of rain too, didn't we? And it kind of washed the bike off first, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why are you sitting on it? You're getting wet. Off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Okay, so we have these old graphics on here. These are like the original graphics, but they're all kind of chewed up from like the gas leaking on them and stuff. And the front number plate's okay, but you can see it's kind of dirty still, so we got to clean that off. And then we have these side number plates we have to get off. And then the other number plate here and that side over there. So
why do we have to take the number plate off?
Because we have new ones to put on.
Where?
In the pack. We got new number plates too.
Oh.
Alright, so let's see if it's gonna rain anymore, and if not, we'll get to washing this bike off, okay? Okay, so I got our favorite stuff here, Bell Ray Bike Wash. This is great stuff, and you just kind of spray it on and then let it soak for a little bit, and it basically cleans all the dirt off and everything, and don't really even need to scrub. You did it on the tire? Good. Okay, so we're gonna let this soak in here for a little bit, then we're gonna hook up the pressure washer and we're gonna get it washed off, right? Hey, the next step, you should probably scrub it all down with that scrub brush over there, you know, and get it all washed off, especially the graphics, okay? All right, you go ahead and do that. All right, so now we're gonna pressure wash. What do you got there? Pressure washer?
Yeah.
Okay, these are dangerous, so let's do it. I'll help you. Okay, so now we pressure washed it. It's still raining outside, so we wheeled it over here. And now we're gonna dry it all off so we can get the bike dry and ready for the decals, right? Okay, so this is our Factory Effex graphic kit for the Yamaha PW50. It shows like a YZ450, but it looks really cool on there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we're hoping that that's how it's gonna look on your bike. So we're gonna put these over here, right?
Yeah.
You can see these graphics are like kind of old and cracked and stuff from just like gasoline and stuff going on, because there's a gas tank. So these are really thick, nice new graphics. So let's open them up and see if there's any directions on how we should do this. What do you think?
That one might be.
Alright, so Rennen turned it over and it looks like there's directions here. So let's take a look at these. Alright, so prep. It says, if plastic is used, remove all existing decals and adhesive left behind. To ensure that all old adhesive is removed, use contact cleaner or decal removal like Goo Gone. Oh, good thing we got Goo Gone, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, so let's see what else it says. Let plastic dry after cleaner is used. See, I told you it's important to let it dry. Right? You didn't believe me. Okay. Alright, so what's next? No, it says clean plastic with a water-based cleaner like glass cleaner to remove any residue from contact cleaner or decal remover. And then wipe with the clean lint-free cloth. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area and wear protective clothing and safety goggles while using any cleaners. You got protective clothing?
Yeah.
Oh, you got boots. Those are protective clothing, aren't they? Yeah. All right. You want to wear safety glasses when we do it?
Yeah.
Okay. I have boots too. You're right. All right. So let's get to getting these factory decals off of here, right?
Yeah.
All right. You ready to work? Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put some heat on these graphics, the old graphics, and try to get them off. Yeah? You want to do it? Okay.
Is it done yet?
No. Okay, so just keep doing that for a little while until these get warm. Yeah, it's a little hot. We can try it.
Wait. Oh, look.
Did you peel it off?
Yeah.
Go ahead, try to peel it off.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's good. Peel it all off. Hey, good job. All right, so we're almost all the way there. We got the side pieces off. I got the other side off over here.
Done?
Move it around some more. Let's see. Like this. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's try. Uh-oh.
I can peel it.
That's probably broken now.
Why?
All right, here. You try to get that off. You think you can get it? Oh, you did it. Let's see what you got there. Where are you going? What's this? You putting it on our wall? Our sticker wall? All our cool racing stickers? All right. Okay, look, we got them all off, so let's go clean them with the Goo Gone. Goo Gone. Pro Power. Look.
Spray it?
Pro Power. Can you handle the Pro Power?
What's a Pro Power?
I don't know.
What's gonna happen?
It's gonna get the sticky stuff off of there. So let's wash it off with the bike wash again and make sure all that Goo Gone stuff is off. It said to use contact cleaner, but I'm not sure I want to do that because contact cleaner sometimes is hard on the plastics, right?
Yeah.
It feels good. There's no Goo Gone on there. So I think the next step is maybe to put on our graphics. Alright, so step 1 says remove the decal's backing paper. Position the decal by aligning the front and rear point along the top or bottom bolt hole. We don't really have that. We'll figure it out. Step 2 is once aligned, press down in the middle of the decal with the fingers. Work from center outward, making sure top and bottom portions stay unapplied. Okay, got it. So next is apply the top portion of the decal by evenly pushing from the top center down with your fingers. Push down and out, small increments to prevent the material from bunching up in one area. If necessary, use light heat to soften and relax the material to avoid the wrinkles. 4. Next, apply the bottom portion of the decal by evenly pushing from top center down with your fingers. Push down and out, small increments to prevent the material from bunching up in one area. If necessary, use light heat to soften and relax the material to avoid wrinkles. 5 is, if any areas need adjustment, simply pull the area up and reapply it to your liking. Materials made to be adjusted and the adhesive will reach full strength after 48 hours. Once all pieces are installed to your liking, firmly press down on all edges while applying light heat along the edges for long-lasting adhesion. And lastly, step 6, after the decal is 100% applied, wait 24 hours to allow the material to settle. Then inspect all edges for proper adhesion. If any wrinkles are present, use light heat to press back down. If any bubbles are present, pull the decal to the area with the bubble and reapply with light heat. Here they come. All right, let's start with the gas tank, you think? All right. No, you gotta make sure it's perfect.
How perfect, Daddy?
Perfect. you got to press it all down. Okay, I've done the edges, so flatten it all out on there. Okay, like this with your thumb. See if you see any spots that are lifted up, press them out. That looks really good. I think this is one of the best looking Pee-wee graphic kits I've seen yet. Gonna put this little Factory Effex on there. Little FX sticker here. Looks pretty cool.
I don't want to take it off.
There. That looks kind of good there, doesn't it?
Yeah. Where's the other one going to go down?
The other what?
Other 2 more stickers.
I don't know.
Let's put one on this side.
On your fender, maybe?
Yeah. In the middle. In the middle. In the middle. I hope. Let me press them in, Daddy.
Yeah, press this one in.
Okay.
The difficulty of it wasn't too bad. It was pretty easy to get the stock graphics off, and it was really easy to put the new graphics on. You saw on the front number plate, I was able to take it off and reapply it a couple times because it was kind of hard to align. So going forward with that, you might want to make yourself some alignment marks or something to make it easier. But other than that, it was a pretty simple install. Just take your time with it and clean all the surfaces really good, and I think it's going to be a really nice looking long lasting kit. So I'll put a link in the description of what the kit was if you like it, and hope you enjoyed the content, and there's much more to come, so stay tuned. See you later.
See you later. Make subscribe, stinking dirty.
I don't know what he's talking about, so see you later.
Make subscribe.
Yep, make sure to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.